Hello guys, welcome back to these new videos. We'll briefly chart BTC, Ethereum, have a look at the dominance, how things are going with altcoins, and chart some of your requests. Coming back to BTC, as you can see, this head and shoulder that we've talked about in the past live stream, we have broken out and now we are still on this level. So we can say this is a valid strong support for BTC, and as long as we are up here or still in this support region, there is nothing to worry about. BTC is just consolidating before making the next move that can be either up or down. But overall, if you have a look at the dominance here, is still going down, and Ethereum is like very strong. It's looking very strong and really bullish. Now, one thing we're witnessing right now is an increase of people going short on BTC. So is this something to worry about? I don't know, but just putting this out there for everyone. Now for BTC, we can say we are in a downward trend briefly, at least we're on a 4-hour here. But yeah, I would like to see something like this. So BTC in this range, not falling below this range, coming back up either from the bottom here or here, coming back up, attempting to break this trend line, retesting it and going higher. So as you can see from this past level that we have plotted for weeks now, this is a huge resistance for BTC. Regaining the 60k mark is looking difficult, but I'm confident we will once again be trading above 60k. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So just bear with me and have patience. Now, there's nothing I would add to this BTC analysis because from my standpoint, as long as we're here, things are looking okay. Okay, just okay. We fall below this level, so approximately 54 up to this week. So I would say we lose 54k. We have this level of demand zone. We can actually argue about the 52k, but then a level I will have a look at for BTC to possibly retest is a 51 to 50, 51k to 50.9k level. But again, there's just putting this out there, but I think we will just trade in this zone, in this gray area, and then break this trend line. I'm still really bullish on BTC. Have a look at the total chew, the market cap of altcoins. As you can see, the dominance decreasing, Ethereum is green, and the total chew is also green. So I think there's overall nothing to worry about. It's just chilling. BTC is chilling. Okay, now it's time to altcoins to shine, and as you can have seen in these past days, big caps like XRP, Ethereum, even let me get it. Oh my god, it's not loading. EOS, okay, EOS down 15% today, but it went super high in this past day. Even though it's a dead project, we all know it, people are rushing in buying EOS simply because it's a big cap. It's a cycle, big cap first, mid cap, small cap. Let's go back to ETH for a moment. And what to say if not that this is a beautiful chart, all right? Just look at this wick. We can say this is just stop loss hunting, okay, and getting people liquidated before the next move up that we did. Ethereum formed a new all-time high today. So again, I'm really bullish, and we are just retesting the levels that Ethereum was basically trading a few days back. So I think there is nothing to worry about also for ETH. Now, if you may say the transaction fee are through the roof, I personally have never seen transaction fees this high in the Ethereum network, but this is also due to the fact of new crap coins popping out of nowhere, basically congesting the networks. That's it. That's why. Also, people are complaining about Binance withdrawal stuff and like that, but same thing is happening. PancakeSwap, new fucking coins popping out of nowhere in the BSC network, congesting the network. Okay, some networks are having kind of problems due to these new dog coins popping out of nowhere. Someone actually asked me my opinion of these meme coins, you want to go and invest in meme coins, do it. I mean, this is your money. I'm personally not. I'm keeping investing into real project with use case, with a roadmap, with a team behind it, because the overall scenario you're looking at is to make a quick money. Okay, that's why a bunch of retailers, TikTokers are joining the space, shilling crap coins. But the fact is they will all get wrecked, because people think, okay, I'm gonna buy Doge, I'm gonna buy Shiba, I'm gonna buy the new Shiba, I'm gonna buy Doge Elon, I'm gonna buy this crap coin and make millions with my $20 investment. But the reality is, the creator of this coin did not make the coin to make you rich. Okay, they made the coin to make themselves rich and dump on you. That's the reality. So if you are in a profit, okay, don't be greedy. That's my advice. Of course, non-financial advice. Do whatever the fuck you want with your money, but you know, don't be greedy, because at some point, the funders, okay, or the whales that accumulated the coin first, then you will dump on you. They will start taking profits. Okay, it's not the people that made $50, the $50 investment and made like 1K. Okay, they will not take profits. They will just think this thing is going higher. But what about the people who made millions? Do you really think they will not take profits? Okay, now I don't want to make this video too long on meme coins, but that's my 2 cents on it. Now, I'm not even gonna talk about the dominance. The dominance is looking nice. It's looking like it's okay. My PC is overloading. I don't know why. What's happening today? I probably have something on the background. Anyway, dominance looking nice. Looking nice. If you go on a daily, actually let's go on a weekly. You see that we actually, these are the 2 levels. I would. What's happening? No, misclicked. These are the 2 levels that I do consider very, very important, because this was basically the peak of the bottom of the dominance in 2018, and also these 2 levels are things I will strongly keep an eye on. And as you can see, we basically, my God, what's happening? We basically came down to 42.24%. And look at this wick. Okay, wicks talk to you guys. Just look at the wicks. Now I kinda owe you analysis, the analysis on POLK markets. As you can see today, they just released the new partnership with Moonbeam, and I'm very, very bullish on this project. Again, guys, just look at the volatility while I'm talking. It's going up like 2-3 cents, going down 2 cents. But overall, during this big pump we had up to 2.9, we crashed back down. We completely retraced. Let me go back on a 4-hour. So we completely retraced from the pump. And yeah, I bought here. This was a great buy still for me, in my personal opinion, because if you take a fib retracement of this move, we did retrace on the 78.6. Then all the altcoins started kind of dumping, and of course, being a small cap, dumped a lot more. So that fib is no longer valid. That is basically explaining my buy there, okay? And of course, this confluence zone, we have broken it. Now we have this demand line that was respected pretty good, and we bounced from it. I still think this here was the bottom for POLK markets, and I think POLK markets will go up. Just give it time, guys. This is what happens when you invest in real project with the use case. It takes time, okay? I don't know how long you've been on the Telegram, but people will remember the FET trade, okay? We saw FET rising, dumping, okay, whatever. We kept investing. I told everyone FET is a gem, okay? It turned out I think people made 10x, 15x, 20x on FET in a couple of months. Just give it time. Okay, POLK markets is a wonderful project. Let them do their job. Let them work, and buy and forget. Okay. Overall, I'm bullish, and I think this could be the bottom for POLK markets, and I think will go up. Okay, just give it time. So let's go and have a look at. People told me have a look at. I do remember a request from yesterday actually, and it was XLM. So let me go grab XLM. Okay, as you can see, I haven't charted XLM in a while. And yeah, from the last time we charted the XLM, just look here. And the buy zone I talked about this is months ago, I think. Yeah, it's beginning of January, and we perfectly hit the two targets here. So you see this fib retracement 61, sorry. We topped the 61 and down, and we basically went down, retraced on this level right here perfectly. So now XLM made a new high. It's just retesting this support region that has here. So overall, I'm really it's looking bullish. And as you know, XLM is a big cap, and XLM tends to follow XRP in price. Okay, sorry for the old messy chart, but it's an old chart, guys. Anyway, I think XLM went parabolic, could re-enter in this range here, but overall I think it will hit $1. So yeah, I think we could potentially re-enter in this zone. We do lose this zone. We cannot have these 50 cents region, okay, but I don't think it's likely we're gonna go there unless BTC starts crashing. But I think we'll just re-enter in this zone and proceeding higher. So if you want, you can also plot this kind of demand line here, so potentially we could exactly hit the bottom of this zone and reverse to the upside. So actually a couple of people asked me about BZRX. I have no idea what that is. Yeah, well, anyway, I have no idea what that is, but let's do some TA on it. Start from a monthly chart. This seems to be the bottom, and these two here, let's plot some resistance line. Let's go back on a weekly. Actually, let me plot this support level. All right, now in a weekly, this seems like nice. Anyway, I think from a standpoint, TA standpoint is like it's like going up. Okay, that's kind of stupid to say, but let's go down on a daily. We can say better. So yeah, we retraced and we basically hit this kind of demand line here. Okay, so overall I think this coin is in an upward channel, and yeah, what probably we want to see is, let me take a fib here, is here. Yeah, we when tapping this demand line, we tap the 78.6, we stay above the 78.6 at approximately 66 cents. Just look at this area, $1.5. I mean, seems good. Okay, again, I don't know what this project is, but this could still do something like this before breaking, retesting, and going higher. Will take time. This is a fib taken on a daily, and yeah, I think this could play out. But always, if you're like entering here, just place a stop loss just right behind the 66 cents to play it safe, you know. So let's see ICX. Let's go with ICX. So overall, I had this triangle pattern for a while here. We broke out and we basically went down again due to the dump. Okay, this was the BTC dump, I think to 47k something. Okay, but look where we went. Just look at these area. Okay, just look at this big support area. That's why I use zones, guys, and I tend not to use lines because it gives more room to the zone you're looking at. But as you can see, it is having difficulties in breaking this area right here. So technically speaking, if you do take a fib retracement of this whole move, we tap the 61 2 times, and the 61 is the golden ratio, and alongside with the golden ratio we do have these confluence area. There is now support level. So I mean, we stay above this level, we don't fall below this level. If we do, we may go down, revisiting the $1.8 $1.9, but overall I think if we start reversing, okay, and actually let me put also like a trend line like here, okay, we do break this zone, we stay above the 61, we retest, we break the all-time high, and we could see potentially $4. I think ICX is a long, it's like a legacy coin. I think it's not a brand new coin. That's a fact. So yeah, it's, if you go down on a 4 hour, there's an high chance we're going down back to the 61 on this gray line here. It's important we do not fall below it. We do, just look at this level here, 1.8, and if we do fall below the 1.8, we may see again 1.6. It's important we don't break this trend, okay? Because as you can see from here, since the dump, we have been forming higher lows, okay? So the trend is going upwards, but it's important because if we do break the 61, this would be again another lower low, so would not be looking great. But I know a lot of people are bullish on this project. I personally don't own any, but yeah, let's see how it goes, you know. Let's go back to the chart. Let's see another one. Then COTI, Wind, KHES, Trias, Brow, Bet. Oh my god. POLK, Layer, COTI. A lot of people talking about COTI. Let's go COTI. So this was the last time I charted COTI, okay? By taking this old favorite retracement, I said buyer at 0.25, 0.23, stop loss at 0.20. The people who got this call are still in, I suppose, and it's looking pretty good. Now as you can see, we went up to the 0.382, got rejected, went down, retested again the 61.8, and now is coming back up. I think we stay above the 61.8. These are the two levels we need to get above. I'm really bullish on COTI. What they are doing is phenomenal, so definitely keep an eye on it. But yeah, as you can see from the daily, nothing much has changed. The momentum is still bullish, okay? And I think if we can keep this momentum up, we can break this level. As you can see, this seems like a bull flag formation. This seems like a bull flag, typical bull flag formation. So it's important we do not fall below the 61.8 here. If we do, we break this kind of formation of the bull flag. But I think COTI could do something like this: break the bull flag and going higher. It's important that does not do this, okay? We break the formation, we're probably gonna go revisiting this level right here. So guys, I think that was it for the video. So sorry if you haven't charged your altcoin, but you know, this video would be too long. It's already too long. So let me know if you want another live stream, maybe a 1 hour and 1 hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, depends on how many people will stay on the live stream and follow it. I will make a new live stream maybe tomorrow. Let me know on the chat group. All the links you need are in the description down below. Let me know. See you in the next one. Peace out.